What's going on, YouTube? Today in this video we're going to cover taking it loose the front end of the Ford F150 extended cab 2005. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, YouTube, we got the front bump off. We have all the miscellaneous parts, part of the hood, inner part of the bumper, some of the parts of the door. This door wouldn't open. I had to pretty much cut it to get the door open. As you can see, we do have to replace this fender. We do have to replace the door. And I have discovered that our frame mounts are bent. But I checked the rest of the frame, and it seems to be that it's only the front end of the frame. So we will be cutting these frame positions at the front off, and we will be welding on new pieces for the frame. As far as the cab of the truck, the body of the truck is pretty in good shape. We will be replacing some parts. Again, the radiator seems to be good, but the condenser for the AC is pretty bad. As you can see, the punch-ins right here. Motor's fine. Truck needs a pretty good cleaning. As you can see, all the dust and dirt and grime. There will be a few things we will do. As far as this truck goes, we want to go ahead and paint this truck. I'm actually kind of thinking, what color should I paint it? Maybe paint it black or leave it white. I'm going to let you guys decide. We will work on the rust spots on the body of the truck and get the inside of the truck going. So that would be it for today. on this 2005 Ford F-150.